Boy, look at this 88 Porsche 911 Carrera. Look at that BBL on the back. Yeah. Boy, come on, man. This thing is sexy. Sexy. What this color is, J-Rock? My boy, this airplane paint, ain't it? Boy, this yacht paint. Boy, we ain't using regular car paint no more. We using yacht paint. Get your money up. He said, get your money up. Y'all see how we had to come and lace them guts in here. Boy, there's a couple cows in here. And it smell like it. It's a lot of beef. Nice clean custom. Mild custom on this one. Did a few little tattooing on the seats, of course. You know, we had to put that crest in the headrest. All that's lasered in. That ain't no embroidery. We passed that. You see the whistle on the side. So we did this a cognac with a bronze stitching. Cognac with a bronze stitching. So we finally got this thing wrapped up. Alcantara on the roof. Alcantara on the roof. Brand new cognac seat belts. Everything matching. Hand wrap. Gear shifter. Dashboard. We had to custom make a carpet kit because they would not sell us one the color that we wanted. So we custom made it, put the binding on it, and of course put the leather down there as well. So we're gonna make him some custom floor mats for it anyway. They go in the car so he could take them out, vacuum and all of that. Lasered the Porsche on there. Hand stitched the steering wheel. This has definitely been a fun project, man. We're all with Infinity speakers front and rear. Y'all know I had the mastermind wiring guy on it. Hacko! Boy, when I say teamwork, make the dream work. Laser Porsche down here. All super clean, all super clean. Nice and tight. Didn't want to take too much of the integrity from the Porsche. So we kept it clean, added a few little small touches to it that brought us our own. Like I say, Alcantara all on the pillars. Now you get to see this thing all clinked up. Look at that BBL, boy. Get a good look at it. Sheesh. Ain't no Dr. Miami. And of course we had to come up here and finish out the frunk. Yeah, I said the frunk. So we made a big board here to cover up all of the bottom. Of course, put the big crest. So it comes on when you open the trunk. Open the frunk. Light pops on. And ain't no build complete without a custom body bag with the Porsche logos on it. Check me out now. Check me out now. Check me out. So you gotta get a body bag to match. If you spent the bag, you need a bag. Custom modern headlights. Close the front down. Light goes off. That two-tone, that gloss black with that cherry red pinstripe, and also did the cherry red Porsche on the doors. When you see it, you know it's us versus them. My boy said catch him in traffic. Cars and coffee. Man, let me know what y'all think about this 88 911. I dig it. I dig it. J-Rock been working on this thing for a year trying to get it to look like this. Finally there, man. He put a hell of a team together to put this one together, man. Sitting perfect. He done got it tuned up. And you see that George Jefferson at the top. See that George Jefferson. I dig it. I'm ready for the next one. Let's do a vert. Let's do a vert in the target top with the whale tail on the back. Send this to us, we'll build it. Shout out to my guys Impact, man, on the leather. Nothing but the best. Italian leather, man. Anytime we doing it. So shout out to my guys Impact Product. Mac, I see you, man. Appreciate it, man. Your product is 100%. Your product is 100%. Little to no flaws on all of it. So we was able to use every yield to hide of the leather. But that's that on that, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think, man. I dig it. In the meantime, in between time, man, y'all hold it in the road, stay out them ditches, and I'll be back in a minute. Sheesh.